My husband cooked, cleaned, and bathed our kids after a 10-hour shift. I was glued to my phone. He finally told me to leave him alone, and it was his easiest night ever. I am in my late 30s, and I have two beautiful boys. For the longest time, I have been unable to keep a schedule. My husband works 50 hours a week, comes home, and despite his back being in agony on most days, he cooks dinner 4 to 5 times a week. He generally does at least half the dishes. He bathes both of our sons. As a stay-at-home mom, SAHM, I handle the other household tasks. The only things I generally avoid are those that involve leaning down to the floor. Picking up toys, for example, is hard for me. After work, my husband likes to spend some time lying down flat when possible to help alleviate his back pain. The day before yesterday, my husband got home after working for 10 hours and cooked dinner for everybody. It was a nutritious meal using fresh vegetables. Our sons loved it and both asked for more. He then threw the first load of dishes into the dishwasher, ran it, and went to our room to lie down. 20 minutes later, he came out to check on things. I was still slowly eating, staring at my phone. He went back to our room. Another 30 minutes later, he came out again. Same situation. He went back. Another 30 minutes later, he came out once more. Same